Plant growth doesn't just happen above the soil. Some of the most important changes happen where we rarely get to see them. To reveal that hidden world, I grew 4 different plants in transparent containers and recorded every stage of their growth. The bean follows the classic pattern. Before the stem reaches for the light, the first root grows downward in search of water. The mung bean follows the same basic process, but with impressive speed. The peanut tells a different story. Underground, its root system spreads quickly, creating a strong foundation for the young plant. Unlike the others, the radish stores its energy in its root, gradually developing into the vegetable we recognize. Every plant followed its own strategy, but they all began with the same hidden journey beneath the soil. Which one surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments.